Hey Brad,
Hey.
you're on speakerphone and there's a lot of people listening. Okay?
All right.
Okay, Kylie's here with me though. And everybody's well, nobody's sick. So the award today that came to school, it was the Milken Educator Award, and I won.
All right.
And the prize was $25,000.
You serious?
I'm very serious.
Well, let me mention to Brad that the financial award, this is Lowell Milken. I created this initiative 37 years ago, and today we presented the 3,000th Milken Educator Awards. So today is an historic day that your wife was the recipient, and the $25,000 that comes with the award, the recipient is free to use the money for any purpose whatsoever. We believe that teachers make a financial sacrifice to go into the profession. So in some small way, if these funds could be of assistance and maybe putting away some money for your daughter's future college education, or pay off a few bills, or take a trip, that's what our motivation is. So Brad, congratulations to you, because it isn't just your wife who won, it's a whole family event. Congratulations.
Are you okay?
Well, I had a bad night, so I'm half asleep trying to process this.
He's a fireman, so, and he was up all night.
But, yeah.
Are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
Okay, well, we just wanted to call and tell you the good news.
Tell Aaron you need to take the rest of the day off.
Aaron said I have it.
All right.
All right, I'll talk to you later, bud. Love you. Bye.
You're going to have a good evening tonight.